What is up, YouTube? Are you sick and tired of driving traffic from all the old sources like Facebook and YouTube and stuff like that? Looking for something a little bit different? If so, I've got something really exciting to tell you about in my review of Flux. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the Man with a Hat. And why is that? Well, those who are regulars on the channel know that is because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull them off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money on my niche. And why is that? Well, that's because I want to make sure that you do not end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, it's hot today, okay? There's a heat wave where I am. And Bart, you know what? I really don't want to listen to you complain in the middle of a heat wave. Give it a break. He does it all the time. He's so annoying, that guy. Anyway, seriously though, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Says the same thing every single day, but I still love her. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, well, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Hey, welcome. We are on the sales page for Flux.
Flux capacitor, flux.
Not a flux capacitor. Flux. Pay attention. Anyway, but seriously. So, Flux is a brand new system. I'm going to show you the members here in just a minute. Basically, what it does for you is it's designed as a 6-in-1 story app. And what it'll let you do is it lets you automatically create stories, like videos, like mini videos that can go onto 6 different networks. Now, this is really interesting because most of these things, they deal with things like Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, which you can do that in here too. I'm going to show you in just a minute how it all works. But this actually gives you a whole lot more than just that. You actually get to go ahead and use things like TikTok and WhatsApp, all kinds of different networks that you wouldn't ordinarily think of driving traffic from that you can drive traffic from. So you can see here the list, LinkedIn also, and Snapchat, which all these things get a lot of people visiting them, and a lot of people aren't monetizing these things. They're not getting traffic from these places. So I'm going to show you how the software works in just a moment. Before we do, I just wanted to discuss my bonuses because I have some of the best bonuses in the industry. I always do. And so basically the way it's going to work like this, you're going to be able to create stories for all of these different networks. Now, in addition to that, I've got a bunch of bonuses I'm going to read off to you that the vendor is letting me give you. Not everybody's able to give you those either. It depends if you're dealing with somebody who is, somewhat well-known like I am. I deal directly with the vendor, and so he gives me extra stuff that I can pass on to you guys. Not everybody's able to pass those things on, but I also have my own stuff that nobody else is going to have. First of all, I'm going to give you 20 Instagram-ready videos that you can use just to start getting people excited about your Instagram. They're mini perfect size for Instagram stories. You can also use them for Facebook stories, TikTok stories, all kinds of stuff. They're inspirational quotes, and they're ready to roll, and you're going to have them ready to use immediately on Instagram or TikTok or whatever you want. Okay, that's number one. Number two, now you're going to see inside the software in just a minute, you're going to see that you're actually able to create your own mini videos, which is very, very cool stuff. Really like the software. It's very, very nice, very slickly done. But if you really want to just explode things, you want to have your own stuff. So I'm going to also give you access to my Rolodex of my own image galleries as well as video galleries, all stuff you can use completely for free because I love free stuff. That's my thing. I'm into free stuff. And finally, I'm going to give you access to my high-end training on how to use DaVinci Resolve, which is a completely free software, but it's kind of difficult to figure out. You're going to get that from me as well, all included in this single package. So, in addition to that, let me just read you. I got this whole list over here that they gave me, a huge list. So, viral marketing exposed, video marketing classics, I'm not sure. Twitter marketing for beginners, the power of network marketing, streams of income via the internet, 6-minute marketing, secrets of marketing via social networks, mobile marketing boosters, marketing for free on the internet, joint venture marketing, information marketing business, how to outsource internet marketing, how to find the hotspots. Okay, hotspots. That sounds kind of intimate. Anyway, Facebook marketing services, effective internet marketing, autoresponder marketing, attraction marketing, affiliate marketing, e-course, affiliate marketing beginner, 100 membership sites marketing. Basically, all kinds of stuff that the vendor has either put out by himself. This Billy Dar, he's put out these things by himself, or he's bought PLR. And I won't be the only vendors who are going to offer you these things. There are going to be a lot of people offering you these things. But I will be the only one offering you my own custom bonuses. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look real quick at the members area. Okay, and you can't see my picture anymore. Got this in an incognito window for some strange reason. I had to do that. I'm not sure exactly why, but basically what you can do is like this. You can see it's a really nicely done software. I'm going to go here to click new story. And let's say, for example, I want to make a TikTok story. So I just click create story. Okay, and then basically what it's going to do is, as soon as it finishes loading, it's going to actually offer me all kinds of options. You can see it's still loading over here. It's going to offer me all kinds of options that are pre-made that you can actually go ahead and edit inside the software. Okay, so this is kind of cool. Nice little video that they've got here, and you can actually click here and start editing all of this stuff. So, build a business. Obviously, you want to go and kind of move things around, whatever, so that it all fits. There we go. And we can actually make this a little bit smaller if we need to, so that all will fit. Whoops. I want to grab this, not that. There we go. Okay, and this we can put back the way it was, nice and neatly there. Okay, web traffic. And we can make this, let's say, business online. I have no idea who this is, businessonline.com. So if you go ahead and visit, who knows what you're going to be finding there. But basically, that's all you do. Okay, and then you can basically click done. Okay, and it'll automatically create your story for you and allow you to actually go ahead and post this thing onto TikTok or pretty much any of the other places. Okay, it'll tell you that you're done, and that's going to automatically allow you to post it. I'm not going to do that right this second. I want to show you they also have image options. You can choose different images, and again, these are all editable. Okay, you can choose different text options. You can choose different elements that you can add in. Okay, you can also obviously have filters, so you can have the sepia filters and all those kinds of good stuff. You can have animations. You can even add audio in if you want to add some audio. They have the ability to let you update audio. And by the way, that's going to be part of my bonus, by the way, that you're going to get my audio. Let me show you my picture there. I am. You can't see me right now. But you're going to get my audio catalog, which is huge. You have thousands of audio assets there. All these things are going to be included as my custom bonus, and you'll be able to actually use the software to go and create these things immediately. So pretty cool stuff. Let's see if I can give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Indeed, you rock. I'm not always impressed with these software launches. Some of them kind of lame, to be perfectly honest. This one was really impressive. I love the fact that it monetizes networks that a lot of people don't usually go onto. And it's got everything included. It would have been nice to have some music there, but with my custom bonus, you're going to get the music already included. So just go ahead and go crazy. I give you like 10 different places to get free music and free audio assets. So you can really go crazy making your stories pop, which is something nobody's going to offer you. Nobody's going to give you what I'm going to give you. And of course, you can make your own custom videos inside of DaVinci Resolve and use the software to post those as well. So go ahead and grab this. It really is a great product. You're going to love it.